Hello everyone and welcome to my today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you how can you create a fractal fade in Adobe After Effects. And if you do not know what exactly is a fractal fade, it's a different kind of a fade. I'm pretty sure you all know what is a basic opacity fade, in which you just reduce the opacity from 0, you move ahead in time and change it again to 100, and it has a nice fade in effect. Well, a fractal fade is something which has a much more organic look to it. For example, take a look at this animation. So you can see that at the very start, the word just comes in a much different way, and it has a very organic feel to it. So this is how you can create, as in this tutorial will show you how can you create this kind of a fractal fade, and it is actually very easy. So let's get started now. The first step is going to be creating a new composition. I'm going to be working with 640 by 480, and I'm going to change the name to fade. Click enter, and then create. Actually, first thing is going to be creating a new background. So I'm going to go new solid. I'm going to call it BG, and creating a new solid, I'm going to keep the color as black. So it has that intense feel, that scary, serious feel. Then we're going to add our text. Now we can do a right click, go to new and add text, but I wanted to show you a new method of adding text in Adobe After Effects, and that is to hold on Control Shift Alt T. It's a very big shortcut, but if you get in habit of using shortcuts and become a power user, it can save you a lot of time. So okay, so add in your text, whichever way you want to, and then type in whatever you want to. I'm just going to type in fade, and now we would like to center our text. So go to Align panel and press horizontal center and vertical center, and it centers the word in the composition. Good. Now we're going to create a new solid, and I'm going to call it fractal. And now what you want to do is go to effects and preset, and then type in over here fractal noise, and the effect is going to be under noise and grain, and it is a very powerful effect. You can create different kind of things with it, but for now I'm going to use it for creating the fractal fade. So go to effects and presets, type in this effect, take it, drag it and drop it onto your solid, and this is the exact kind of effect that we want. This is the exact kind of a default effect that we want on our fractal noise. So don't play around with any kind of parameters. Just go to brightness and click on the stopwatch so that we can start our animation. Now select the fractal layer and press the U key on your keyboard so that we can reveal all the keyframes. And at the very first keyframe, at the very first frame, or at the very first keyframe, what we want to do is we want to reduce this number to -100, so it becomes full black. Then we're gonna move ahead in time, and here's a new keyboard shortcut. It's a very cool one. It may come in handy sometimes. Hold on Shift button and then press page down. So what it does is it jumps 10 frames. If you were to eyeball this, it may take you some time, or if you were to press page down 10 times, it can be time consuming. So that's a quick little shortcut over there. Now what we want to do is we want to increase the brightness all the way to 100. So what happens is it becomes white. Now move ahead in time, say somewhere like 3 seconds. Somewhere over here, and we're gonna click on this button for adding one more keyframe, and once again shift page down for moving ahead in time like 10 frames, and click on this button, and again we would like to reduce the brightness to -100. So what we have over here is, if I play this, you'll see that our fractal noise comes in play, giving this organic effect. It becomes full white, it stays full white, and then it goes back out. Now what we want to do is go over here, and just in case if you do not see this, click on this button over here, toggle switches and mode, or press F4, and you'll see this. And we are actually looking for this option over here, track matte, and we would want to change our text layers track matte to Luma matte. So what we are saying to After Effects is that After Effects only display the text when there is full white on the solid. So you can see that there is a little bit of a fade going on. if I was to play this, you can see that small pieces where there is white, there is gray. So it gives a very nice effect, because at the start there is full black, then we have that organic looking texture, then it is full white, it stays white, so therefore we can see the text, and then it fades out with that effect. So that's how you can create a quick fractal fade in Adobe After Effects. And this kind of a thing can really be used in I don't know, in trailers, in character information. If you were to introduce a character, so say if I was to go to my main comp, and in this, you can see this. So with that kind of a music, the fade is somewhere over here. You have the face of the character, and then just kind of, then it goes out. Then you have the second character, you have it over here, you have the face of the character, posing a gun with something, something like that, and an intense shot, it goes out. And then you have the, now say somewhere over here, like they have a stand up or something like that. I'm pretty sure you can find the different uses of this fractal fade. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and like this video on YouTube. Please show me some support by liking my Facebook page. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.